Welcome everyone. Today we're making an authentic Roman dish, pasta carbonara. This recipe is simple but rich in flavor, using just a few quality ingredients. And we're doing it the true Roman way. No cream, just the perfect balance of eggs, cheese and guanciale. Let's get started. First, let's start with our pasta. Salt the water generously and add your spaghetti. Cook it al dente, just a little firm to the bite. Now the star of the show, guanciale. This cured pork jowl gives carbonara its rich flavor. Cut it into thick strips and place in a cold pan to render the fat slowly. Cook until crispy and golden. For the sauce, use 1 whole egg and 1 yolk per person and add pecorino romano cheese. Whisk until smooth and creamy. Drain the pasta, saving some pasta water. Add the pasta to the guanciale, then the egg mixture, stirring constantly. Add pasta water if needed for a silky texture. Finish with freshly ground black pepper. And there you have it, authentic pasta carbonara. Simple, quality ingredients brought together the right way. Buon appetito! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes.